Hello, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be talking about Pictory, which is a video creation software. Lots of wonderful features. So we're going to be going over an overview with the features and then also create an example video and kind of give you some thoughts on what I think about the overall software. So first off, the software does come with a free trial. It does have many different features. You can see lots of big companies are using it, Fortune 500 companies as well. Script video you can use. You can edit videos with text. You can turn blog posts into videos. It will basically go through and take some key points out to start generating that. And then you can customize it at the end. Next we'll go into a little bit about the pricing. So the pricing, it does have a free trial. Pictory does come with a free trial, allows you to create 3 videos, each of up to 10 minutes. First off, the starter plan, which starts off at $19 a month, has 1 user account per month, 30 videos per month, 600 transcription minutes per month, 2 million royalty-free premium videos from story blocks, 34 text-to-speech AI voices, 5,000 music tracks, and 1 brand kit. And then next you have the professional plan, which I would say I would recommend for over the starter plan, mostly based upon the hyper-realistic voices that you would get in the professional plan. So the professional plan comes with 1 user per account. It comes with 60 videos per month, 1,200 transcription minutes per month. And as I said, the realistic AI voices, which you can use for voiceover, 60 text-to-speech AI voices, over 12 million royalty-free premium videos from Getty Images and Story Blocks, 10,000 music tracks, 5 brand kits, and it also has bulk video downloads. The team plan has 3 users per account, 90 videos per month, 1,200 transcription minutes per month. Also has the hyper realistic AI voices. It also has pretty similar as the professional plan, just comes with more users, a little bit more features as well as far as API access and the sharing collaboration. So that's a little bit about the pricing, some pretty good pricing overall. And that's on the yearly. If you were to go monthly, it's a little bit more. The starter would be 23 per month on the starter, 47 per month on the professional, and 119 per month on the teams plan. If you're interested in trying the software out as well, I put a link in the description. And then also I put a 20% off code for any of the paid plans if you're interested in that as well. And that's in the description. So next we're going to go ahead and log in and to the dashboard, go over some features and go over a scripted video example. So, we have in the dashboard here your recent projects in the top right that you've been working on, your projects, brand kits, and then also what I first want to go over is scripted video. So right there, you'd click on proceed, which we will in a minute, but it's recommended for educational videos, listicle videos, coaching videos, step-by-step guides, really whatever type of videos you want to make. If you have a script, it's good just to go ahead and start from the scripted video to start creating. And then also there's the article to video, which is recommended if you have a blog, a press release, or any HTML article, right, that you want to put in the URL and try to create a video from that. So if you're creating a video from a blog post, you'd go ahead and put the URL in, and it would start to try to pull the script from the blog article. It won't take the whole article and then put it into the script of the video. It'll try to take some key points, and then you can easily click on the sentences or click off of the sentences per se that you wanted to add in or take off of the script. You can also edit video using edit video using text, which you can input video from various sources, and you can add subtitles automatically. You can cut portions of the video. You can create video highlights. You can, add a logo, intro and outro. So that's a little bit more on the edit video using text. And there's also a feature for visuals to video, which you can basically put your own visuals in there and create a slideshow video using existing images and short video clips. So that's another feature you have there. So overall, it's a really easy, clean to use dashboard. This software is very seamless, very simple to use. So first off, we're going to go ahead and go to the script to video. So I have an example script we just threw together here that we're going to go ahead and paste in. All right, so we'll hit proceed. And it's going to start building our video storyboard. It's going to start creating the visuals. And then once that's done, we will be able to edit the video. All right, after about a minute or two, depending on how long the script is you input, it will then create the script into different scenes and then add storyboards or add images. Basically, not images, but I would say they're more short videos into your video, right? So short video clips. So you have the up here on the top left, you can see we're in story. So this is where you would edit your story. So say if I had wanted to put welcome to AI business world, I would put that in here. That would be for the first scene. That's definitely not an image we'd want to use there. We'll get into that and changing that out. And you can see it generated another kind of storyboard image clip for that scene, second scene, and then so forth, the third, fourth, the fifth. And then next we'll go into visuals a little bit. So visuals is where you would want to switch out the short video clips. So for scene one, if I wanted to go with this, say I wanted to change this one, it's just an intro saying we're diving into artificial intelligence. So I could just type in AI, right, and just hit enter there and search. You can also go by types, images or videos. You can search by categories. There's many different categories in here you can see, or just search in by the keyword. I usually just search in the keyword as well. So, all right, so we're searching AI. We have some images here. Say I wanted to just go with this one, right? We would just click that. It'll go ahead and put it onto your scene there for scene two and so forth. You would just kind of go through here, check out each scene, see if it's what you're looking for and edit it, right? You can also hide the closed captions, and you can apply that to all, or you can do it by scene. So that's where you would show the closed captions or take them off. And then also you can trim the video, delete scenes from here, play the scene preview. So that's a little bit more about the scenes, the visuals. Next would be the audio. So we'll go into the audio a little bit, right? So audio's got different types of music. You can do by feature, or you can sort them by different types of music. You can do by purpose, genre, duration, or you can clear all and just start from scratch. So it's also got the voiceover here. So you can add in a voiceover. Say you wanted to use, say, Arnold, right? You would apply, and it would go through, take a little bit of time, and it'll add Arnold's voice. You can listen to how they sound too if we want to listen to them.
What worries you masters you.
So, you can go through and
we have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Listen to whatever AI voiceover you wanted to go with. Or like I'm saying, you can also upload your own voiceover, right? So if you wanted to do your own voiceover, you can upload it here. And then it will also use AI to auto sync the audio to your video. So that's a nice feature as well. All right. Next, want to go into, so now we covered the audio a little bit, go into styles. So this would be definitely interesting for people that want their styles to stick out on the screen. So that would be the styles of the closed captions, right? Or the subtitles. So that would be, as you can see, as you click here, it'll just change the subtitles on the screen. So you can go through and pick whatever you like. All right. Say we just wanted to use this one. And then you can click here to apply to all scenes. So there's a little button right there. You just click to apply to all scenes. All right. So that's a little bit about the styles. And then text. We'll go over text next. So you can add text to any of these scenes, right? Say I wanted to add to the first scene. If I just wanted to say, you know, 5 ways to make money with AI. We just put that in, enter that in, and you can kind of adjust the height where you have that on the screen. You can add subtitles, which is, put in a subtitle there. You can add a body text as well. So, and then you can just easily delete that. If you didn't want that in, you just click on it and hit delete there. And you can add that to any of the slides, any of the scenes. So, if you wanted to add it to all of them, you could do that as well. And that would be, you click here, copy to all scenes. So if you wanted to copy that to all the scenes, you just highlight the text you put on there, click that little 3-dot button, and then hit copy to all scenes. And to take it off, of course, you could just click it again and then delete it. All right, so you could just go ahead and if you want to then take those off, you just go through and delete those. All right. So there's branding. If you want to create branding within each of these, you can add multiple brands. I have a professional plan, so I believe I can put in 5 different brands if I'd like. And we won't get into that. Next, we're going to talk about elements and how to include elements into your video. So down here on the bottom left, you see elements. So you can add in different emojis. You can search the emojis to find what you want to add to your video. So I'll just give you an example. So if I click that, it throws in a smiley face, and you can go ahead and edit that or delete it or take it out. So, you can copy it to all scenes, duplicate it, or you can click here and delete that. So we'll take that out. GIFs, you also have many GIFs, and of course has the search bar as well, where you can add in GIFs for your backgrounds. And next we'll go over format. So we have format now that you can add for YouTube videos would be 16:9 landscape. 9:16 portrait would be more for if you want to use for like a YouTube short or a TikTok video. And then the 1:1 square would be more for probably Instagram if you would want to use that for Instagram videos. So that's a little bit, taking you through about the software. And then if we went through this and we had the story, how we wanted, all the transcripts and everything right, the visuals are correct. If you're to go through here and have all your visuals in line and your audio and your style and your branding and your text, if you're just ready to go, of course, this is just a example video, so we'll just go ahead and proceed. We haven't taken much time to edit it and customize it. Also, you can click here if you go to format, you can click optimize generated video for size. If you like, turning it on will reduce the file size but increase the video generation time. It'll usually take a few minutes to generate a video depending on the size of the video. All right, so let's say if we've gone through and we want to move on to go ahead and create the video, we could hit preview to preview it first, and that will apply the voiceover and go through that and generate you a preview, right? So, all right, so that's the preview if you want to go through that. And then if you want to download it, you just click this, hit video, it'll start preparing the download. And You can hit run it in the background if you like. Once that goes, then it will start downloading the video or preparing the video. And then once the video is ready, you can then download it onto your computer and you're good to go. And you can click here, notify, any email address you have incorporated. So, that's a little bit more about Pictory and its features and how to use it and how to create a video. It's really great overall software. I really enjoy using it. It can be really good for people that don't have a lot of experience making making videos. The software is really easy to use, really helpful. But yeah, I would say anyone that's looking for some really good AI video creation software to make for YouTube videos or YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, explainer videos. Yeah, check out Pictory AI. And again, I have a link in the description, and also you can try a free trial, and also there is a 20% off coupon code in there. So, yep, hope everyone enjoyed the video and go out there and make some videos.